Hi, my name is Fatima Matous. I teach filmmaking at Akhawayn University. I represent the Bachelor's in Communication Studies and the Master's in Communication and Digital Media. Welcome to Influence. Critical thinking is an important skill that students need to learn nowadays because we are flooded by so much information that we don't only need to understand, but also critically analyze. Through our BA in Communication Studies and our Master's in Communication and Digital Media, students learn filmmaking, storytelling, and they gain skills in public relations and content creations, while understanding how communication shapes the world and influences change. Our graduates become storytellers, creators, and researchers. They work in media organizations, marketing and PR agencies, and international organizations across the world. If you are ready to understand the world and help shape it, influence. Bye.